Hi all, welcome to RVS. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to search customer details by using multiple properties. Like, assume we have a customer details like this. Okay, so here first name is John, having multiple users are having first name John. Okay, customer ID 1 having John name, 2 also having John name, and customer ID 9 also having John name. If we search by customer ID, only one user details are coming. But if we search by this first name or the last name, then we will get multiple users. How we will get this multiple users onto the screen? We will implement in today's practical video. Okay, I'll tell you. For that, see, this is the table kind of information. We want the data in table kind of information. So definitely we need page list. Yes, you are correct. We need page list. Page list need to be created and we should use table layout in section. Exactly. For searching, we will give one data at a time. So for searching, page is fine. But for results, we need page list. Why we need page for searching? Because we are entering one data only. First we will enter John or Smith something, only one details we will enter. We will not enter multiple details. We will not enter multiple first names. We will enter only one first name, one last name. So at a time we are entering only one details for one parameter. So page is enough, but it will show the data multiple parameters at a time. So we need page list. Okay. Okay. First, I'll try to execute our existed case to check whether the application is running fine or not. Okay, it's taking time. Hope my server is connected. Yeah. Okay. Yes, it's working fine. So what we are going to do here is first we need to create a page and page list. Page is for searching. Page list is for result viewing. Okay. So I'll go to app. Forget about this. I just opened for just trial run. Discard it. Okay. Here right click, create data model property. First we need a page. Page is for search by multi property. Okay. Okay, this page is referred to this class. Okay. Now I'll save it. Okay. We can choose the class here. Okay, then let me check whether the class name is correct or not. Customer details. Yes, it's correct only. Okay. Now save it. we have created a page. It is just for searching purpose, but we need another page list for results purpose. So what I will do, I'll click on actions and create. Otherwise we can click right click and create the same thing, but we can do it from here because we opened same thing. Okay, this is for customer multi customer we can use, no? Okay, multi customer, whatever the name is not a matter. Results page list. Okay, change it. You want page list, page definition same, RPAS, data customer details. Okay, just save it. Now we have created a page, we have created a page list, but we need one section for searching the details. For searching the details, we will create a section in data class because we used page related things will be go into data class. What is our data class? I'll open it. Data, this one. So right click, create user interface section, organization class. Section is customer search with multi property SCC. Okay, name SCC. Okay, I'll just use the naming convention. It's not a big deal here. Create and open. Okay, convert to full section editor. Submit. Now, with what the fields we are going to check first name, last name, and we can use gender as well. I'll take that. Mm, click here, presentation. Okay. Okay. Here instead of text input, I'll delete this. Okay, I'll use radio button. Mm, okay. Now we need to match the fields, right? Double click. We need to match the property. What is the property we are going to match here? Custom, not customer ID. First name we are going to give. Okay. Leave it, let it be. We can give placeholder, but not now. Here what I will give, I'll give last name. Submit. Here I will use gender. Sokuladi Swapna Sundari. Kalakala family Mary. Okay, I'll change the presentation other think we can change it from segmented should come here. Okay, cancel. It's not coming. Yes, it's coming. Okay, now I'll save it. Our section is created. This section is for searching the parameters. Okay, just save it. Hmm. Now we need to create one more section for showing the results. That section will be created under work class. Create user interface. Where is that? Okay, section. Multi customer results SEC. నిద్దర నీడిసేసి రెక్కని తెరిచాను వచ్చి దారుల్లో సోకుల్ని. Okay, now we want table format. Right, structural table. We can use dynamic layout also, but we'll go with table. గుండెనే గొంతు చేసి పాడుతాంది రారపెనిమిటి. Source is unspecified, so click here and define the source. Source is, for this the source is page list. Okay, not database, sorry. What is the page list? Multi customer results page list. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. So the result should become like, okay, I'll show you. So first we need, click here, ding ding ding. So ఏలకు తింటివో ఏడనే ఉంటివో. Remaining properties are in organization class, right? I'll open that. First name, bring it here. Last name, bring it here. gender, bring it here. With this presentation I'll change, don't worry. Anyways, I'll make it as a read only, so no need to worry about it. First name, last name, gender, what else? Date of birth. Okay, what else left? Phone number. I think I did not use email address. It's fine. Phone number. I'll delete this. Where is that phone number? So ನರಗೋ ಸತ್ತಾಕೆ ಕಾಮಂದುವೆ no, I'll delete it. What's happening? Let it be. I'll delete everything and I'll use the table layout again. Okay. Source is unspecified. I'll define the source now. Multi customer search results page list. Submit. I don't want this. I'll delete it. And we want some more, right? Okay. First we want customer ID. Customer ID is part of somewhere, so I'll keep the first thing as it is. So first name, last name, date of birth, gender. We want more, right? Phone number. What is wrong? Think I should drag here. No, I'll delete it. Will do now. Okay, now it's working. All right. So customer ID is part of uh, where is that? In this page. Okay. display row numbers. Here we can give it as a text, but I'll see. Okay, by clicking on here, we can change that. Click on here and change it. Text, data display, submit. Here also we'll do. mm, Save it. Now create one more section. Embedded the two sections for this section. Convert full section editor and submit it. Now data captures, no, structural embedded section, bring it here. Clipboard page class is data class, right? Clipboard page, the page which we created. Okay. Customer search with multi-property page we have created on data class, right? I'll use that. Section, search, submit. It came. Okay. Next, what we will do? I'll do one thing. After that, I'll use structural embedded section. I'll use here. Use current page context because we created the section in same page, so no need to change anything. Section name is the section which we created here. Okay. Submit. Presentation standard. I'll use something else. No need. But we can change it. No. Okay. Now on button we should apply on click refresh. Okay. That we will do after creating the activity. Okay. What we will do here is we will do on click refresh. Okay, we'll do here. So after that we will create activity and we will call the activity. So we created container section as well. Now we will create an activity. So how to create activity? I'll close these all things. Okay. So right click, create technical activity. Okay. Okay. Multi customer search activity. So whatever the name is, just remember the name. That's it. Here we need to give the page name. I'll use page name as my name. Okay, let it be. Class code PegaList. You remember, right? I think it will come. We'll check whether it is coming or not. Code PegaList is not coming. It will come. Yeah, because we are using table format. That's why we are used code PegaList. Okay. So in that code PegaList, we'll use same here. Control A, Control V. Dot PX results. PX results. Is it not coming? Oh, sorry. This is referred to the class customer class, right? RPAS data customer details. Okay. Now define the parameters. I want to use first name and last name. I'll use default value here to avoid something like to avoid the data initialization. I'm doing that. Okay, I'll tell you later what I'm doing here is okay. Hmm. Steps. Now our thing is started. So page new is the method to create a page, right? This is the main thing. What is the page name? Control A, Control C. Okay. And add step. After creating a page, use Obj-Browse. Obj-Browse. Obj-Browse on the page. Page name. Give it obj class RPAS data customer details. Get row key uncheck. Now this is customer ID I'll use. No, it's not coming. Okay, no issues. I'll take from. Sorry, I'll take from here. Hmm, Spelling should not be wrong. That's why I'm opening. Customer ID. Okay. Then after first name. So where are those things? Those things will be here. If the spelling is mistake, then the result will not come. First name, last name, then gender, then phone number, then date of birth. Hmm. Here value is equal to, I'll write the condition. We need to write the condition here, I think. So customer ID, we are not going to write anything, value only. First name we are going to write is equal to param.fn. What is that param.fn? I have defined here. Okay. Mm. Last name is equal to param.ln. Logic we need to write. So for that I'll give it is A1. This is A2. So logic A1 and A2. Okay. That's it. First name and last name should match. Those details will come. I'll show you when we are executing the case. Don't worry about it. After Obj-Browse, what we need to do? We need to set the property. So property set. Obj-Browse will bring to clipboard now. I'll use property set. Okay, we need to select the fields, right? Okay. Okay, this is correct. Then property set from, is it coming? Yes, it's coming. From PX results to, I think this dot is not required. To, on which page we need to select that, I'll choose it from here, but it's not coming. We'll try. Okay, it's not coming. I'll enter manual. It should come here. Multi-customer results SCC. Okay. How we will do this? Is there any more option? Transfer from here to primary dot. So py workpage dot. What is that? Page list. Where is that page list? Multi customer result page list. Okay, on this it should come. Okay. Okay, then I'll close it. Now add a step. Property remove. What property we need to remove? This one. Okay. Add a step. Page remove. To save the memory we are doing. Okay. What page needs to be removed? The Rajesh page need to be removed. Okay. Save it. Hope there will be no errors. Oh my god. Errors we got. What is the error? Okay. Now it's fine, right? Okay. We created activity. So we will call this activity on this button. Okay. I'll open to cell properties. Mm. I'll call this activity. Okay. Multi-customer search activity. It is asking first name and last name parameters. It is asking me to pass. So what are the parameters we are going to pass here is, so customer search multi-property page. Okay, dot fn is first name. So we'll use first name. Okay, here dot ln means last name. Whatever the name we enter there, it should come here. That's it, no? Yes. So we have created the activity. Very good. Okay, check out and save it. Okay, so we have created activity, we have created section and all. Now we will create flow action. So what is the flow action? How to create the flow action? Go to work class, create process flow action. Multi-customer search flow action. Okay, just create and open. Call the section here. This is the section I'm going to call. Save it. Now open a case type. Open a case type. I'll show the test data only. Okay. Sokuladi Swapna Sundari. Multi customer search. Okay. I'll drag it to here. Then I'll open. Oh, sorry, it will not open from here. No, it's open. I know it will not open. Okay. Multi customer search. Okay. I'll go here. What happened? Oh, ho, ho. Okay. Is it? It is in version 2. I need to go. Okay. First, I'll save it. Wait. Okay, check out it. Okay, it will work. Sorry. I'll call the flow action. What is the flow action? Save it. Okay. Now I'll try to create a case, but I'll show you what will happen. Submit. The page is not coming, right? Okay, we should initialize the data initialization we need to do here. The result page is coming, but set section is not coming, right? So for that we need to go do data initialization. I'll do that, but I want to tell one more thing. How that before that we need to see the data. What is the available data? I'll change the data now. Okay, records. Here I want same name with multiple IDs, right? So it's okay. We will generate the data. How to initialize data and all, I'll tell you. Okay, after that initialization, I'll generate the data using ChatGPT. Why should we enter multiple data? Okay, I'll use ChatGPT. Okay, so what I'm saying is we need to initialize data. So how we will initialize data? Go to case type, settings, data initialization, configure, mm, set dot customer multi-property. Where is that? Dot. We are searching with a py label we can give, but is it coming? If py label comes, no, I'll use that only. lm and py label. Is it coming? Input. No issues. I'll give first name. Nothing. Equals to blank value first I'll give. Okay. Oh, I need to save as because it is version 2, we are using version 3. I'm sorry. Save it. Now I'll try to okay, I'll try to execute the case now, but mm, now it is asking first name I'll give something. Okay, I'll use so first I'll open our database. What is the data is there? So first name with Sandesh, I think only one record we have. But with Aparna we have two records with different customer IDs and same last name. So I'll use this Aparna as for just for checking purpose. Okay, I'll use Aparna last name Aparna last name N and gender. What is the gender we have? But anyways, I did not use gender in our query, right? So gender, you can select anything, but with search option, we'll see what is coming. See, the two datas are coming. If I give last name is O, then what will happen? See, nothing is coming. So what I will do here is, I'll do one thing. I'll add one record. I'll add one record with name Aparna. Sorry, this is the customer ID, right? ID I'll give 1234 something. Hope that ID is not there earlier. Okay. I'll use Aparna. Here I will use, I'll tell you everything, don't worry. Okay. I'll use last name is M here. Instead of N, I'll use N. So phone number I'll give 78922 something. I'll use female. date of birth, I'll select something. Okay, so again what I will do here is we have Sonali as well, right? So I'll use Sonali 234. I'll use Sonali now. Sonali. Here I use Chauhan, right? Okay, let it. Chauhan, female, with phone number 7678787898. Something I'm giving. Okay, this is not important thing to worry. Okay, I'll save the data. So now I will try to execute the case with Aparna first name, last name M I will give. What will come we'll see. Only one record is coming. So if I give Sonali, what will happen? Search with Sonali, nothing will come because in activity we have used. Where is that activity? Somehow I have created somewhere I have created the activity. So here Obj-Browse, I have used A1 and A2. So I should give first name and last name. If these both is matching, then only it will come. If I change R, if I use R, what will happen? We'll see. Okay, check out, save it. So now I'll come here. Now I'll use same Sonali now. I'll try to search now. Last name. Okay, I'll use Aparna again. Okay, we'll see whether it is coming or not. I'm sorry. Uh, Coming. So now what will happen? Both Aparna and Sonali Chauhan record is coming. Now how the logic is working? First it is checking first name as Aparna. So all the results are coming. It, it is not considering last name whether it is N or M. But again or it is checking Chauhan as the last name. Chauhan as the last name we have one record. So it is also coming. That's it. This is how it is working. Okay. We can give logic, we can change the logic uh, as per our requirement. So if I give gender as A2, then what will happen? I'll remove it from here. Okay, save it. This is just for checking purpose only. You should not worry about what is this. Acha. If we give gender, then we need to pass the parameter. Let it be. Again, I have to go and pass the parameters. I will not do that now. This is how it will work. We can fetch multiple details. Okay. Where is that? I'll go to case type. I'll use Chauhan alone. So we'll see what will happen. It is coming one record. If I use the name Sonali or N, so what will happen? Otherwise, we can see the data. From data, I'll tell you. We can go with Majji. What will happen? We'll see. Majji, right? Now we will see. Sandesh Majji is coming, Sonali is also coming. This is coming by order, so you should not worry about it. But whatever the data we want, it is coming. The name, first name matching to Sonali is coming. Otherwise, last name matching to Sandesh is also, or not otherwise, or matching the last name Majji is also coming. This is how Obj-Browse will work. Hope you understand the video. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye. Signing off, Rajesh Balaka.